Yo, let's have a weekly recap and we will start from the daily time frame and try to see what is the price choosing to respect and where it is likely to go. So as you can see on here, price has break at the structure, react out of this order block and break at the structure again. And what is, if I look at what is the price targeting next, then it would be pretty much this order block. Let's try this fib one. Okay, price has already targeted most of it. Now if I move into 4 hour, the trend is still bearish and is targeting the, I would like to go with the fib, I mean this order block here. Now if we move with it, as you can see, we have this order block on the 4 hour time frame. So now it's clear there that where we likely to move from and what are we targeting next. So now let's see on M15, my session about to be start, and let's see. By the way, so here's the plan. We are targeting this low, or let's say the structure. During London, price has shifted the structure and moving toward this order block, but since my bias is bearish, overall trend is bearish, I would obviously like to be bearish as well. Would be looking for short. So now all I want is the power of 3 formation. Okay, there we go. So what do we have is this rally taken liquidity and shifted the structure. This is all I need for going short. Okay, let's have my order here. SL above that one and target previous low. It would be a limit order. Wait a minute. $318. Okay. Have my limit order and we are ready to go. Hit the TP. It was a good one. Now let's go next day. As you can see, price has reached where reached the extreme after moving wide a little bit. Do we have any news at 3 of March? No, we have news tomorrow. So it's a safe day today. So let's see what are we targeting next. It seems like we have already reached the targeted area. Oh sorry, it wasn't the one I wanted to. Okay, then our next target is this one, and after that we would like to go for this low. Okay, that's the thing on daily. Now if I move on hourly time frame, What do I have is this fair value gap on the hourly time frame. H4 is moving so intensely, which is why there ain't any zone on the H4 to be rely on. Now let's see. Obviously, it is a continuation trade. It would be a continuation trade because price is so near of the target. I would like to see something like this. And okay, price was so near of the target. Okay, I want a bearish candle. There we go. Got an engulfing at the fair value gap. Let me okay. SL at the order block, and we are targeting 1:2. It would be a market order. Okay, once again we hit the TP, and now let's see on the next day. Obviously, this day we have news, and the bias is still bearish. We are most likely, I mean, we have already tapped the area which I had marked below, and we had reversed also. So for now, what I have is this bearish fair gap on 4-hour time frame, and now let's see in 50-minute time frame. As always, I would like to see a power of 3 formation. Okay, here I have the power of 3. Not a clean one, but it is what it is. Okay, liquidity taken and shift the structure. Now let's see. There would be so I mean 2R I would like to take. Okay, alright, there we go. By the way, today I do have news at 9 p.m. and 7:15. So 1 hour left for the news. So let's see how this one goes. Price has just moved nearby SL. Okay, another push towards SL, and let's see. Range. Asia open. A big push during Asia and during London as well. Okay, finally hit the TP. It was a good one. Let's start at the New York, my time window. Oh, it was a good exit. Let's take a look at daily. What do we have in daily? So in daily I do have a fair value gap, and in 4 hour I do have this. You can say it is a um, order block, bearish order block. So what I am targeting next is this low and that low below. So yeah, these are the target for now, and let's see how we move towards it. I want a sweep of liquidity and market structure shift. Okay, we do have a liquidity taken and market structure shift, and also a fair value gap. Okay, I would like to execute on the extreme and put my SL at this order block, and TP is in here. $6072. Okay, pretty good numbers. Do I have any news today? An unemployment claims which already has taken place before the entry, which is a good thing. Now let's see. Okay. Okay, gosh. It was a good one, and I do have taken the target. Now let's go for tomorrow. There we go. On the next day, we'll start from daily. It's a Friday, and I believe we do have NFP today, which is I would like to look at the price after NFP, and the daily is looking good for bearish because we do have this order block which is indicating for price to go bearish, and 4 hour is also looking bearish after having this bearish PDA. Everything looks great, and yeah, I would like to take this trade after the news. So let's see how the news was. Okay, there we go, the news, and what do we have? Price has just touched this H4 PDA. Now if I move into H1, okay, it's looking good. There I have this bearish PDA. Okay, now we can go bearish from here. Looking good for a short position. While targeting this low below, and $16 pips SL. That's the entry for me. Okay, let's go and let's see how it is. Oopsie. It seems like a direct TP. Okay, that's the end. Okay, it wasn't as intense as I thought it would be. It was a good one.